Morning everybody, Grandpa here. Well, I got the seat home for the 1971 Ford F-150 and it's not ripped, but it's really dirty. I'm going to try the good old spray 9 and we'll pre-soak it. There's a rip right there. Probably will still need a car seat or a seat cover on it, but that's fine. At least we know underneath isn't too bad, but I don't want all this gunk in there. I've had good luck with spray 9 before. It's pretty good stuff. What the hey? And they got an SOS pad. I'll soak her down and see what happens. Gotta be better than it was. Smells better anyway. This is a recover because there's no springs exposed on the back of the seat. But I want to clean up the tracks and paint them a nice black. And I've got the side-by-side here too, the box. We were doing some gravel in there and just kind of rinsing that out as I go. Got SOS pad and a scrubbing brush in here. Well, not a brush, but a washcloth. Hey, it's early in the morning. I'm allowed to be tongue-tied. Looks good wet. And I got the hood springs home. I've got the power steering pump. I got the alternator bracket, and I've got the brackets for the clutch assembly, which I'm going to clean up and paint. And I'll be bringing, once the chassis is painted and brakes are all done and all that jazz, we're going to put the cab on, bolt her down, and we're going to bring it home too, and then I can carry on. Let's try this thing first. Beautiful day in the Northern Ontario today. Nice and warm. No bugs. Boy, if it didn't have a couple of small rips, she'd be pretty good. That buddy at Tom of mine is quite the guy, man. He's knowledgeable like you would not believe. He knows everything about everything there is to know, automotive and beyond. I think he should have been an engineer. Not bad. And it's a folding seat, which is nice. Boy, the back of it's like brand new. And remember, this is from 1978. Geez, I don't think I got to do much more than that on that thing. This is my Polaris Ranger. Side by side, 4-wheel drive. I call her Maybelline. Yeah, I don't know why I name everything something. Even the cat, Fred, he's over there. But this is the handiest critter. I've had more fun hauling stuff with this and just going for rides down in the bush. If I leave the door open, Fred will get in there. That's not bad. So like I said yesterday, the 3 on the tree standard transmission 3-speed is going to stay in the truck. I am going to look for an automatic transmission for it once the truck is complete, and make a swap out, change the steering column and put the automatic in, and then Paula doesn't have to learn how to drive a stick. But for the time being, it's there. We're going to put the 3-speed in it. We're going to give her a go. Anyway, I'm going to let that dry and see how it is. We'll talk to you later. Bye for now.